I've got a SimPure V7 series under sink filter, and I'm going to change that filter out today with a new cartridge, and I'll show you how to do that. Here's the replacement cartridge that they'll send you in the box. It comes wrapped up in plastic with new O-rings and everything you're going to need. This is a 5-micron filter. It's going to help you with things like rust, silt, sand, chlorine, all those kind of problems you might have in your water. So go ahead and take off that plastic coating there. And then, like I said, it's got dual O-rings here, fresh new ones, so you won't have any leaks. So let's go ahead. I'm going to turn the water off. Do that right here. Got this little valve. It's just a quarter turn. And with that off, I'll go ahead and open up the faucet so that we let out the pressure. Okay, and now the pressure is released. We don't have any pressure there. I'm going to put a bigger tray underneath to catch any water. So I'm going to disconnect the lines from the filter. Just going to pull these up like this, and these should pop out. If you just push down, then they'll pop out. Here's the other one here. So you're going to want to remember that my inlet is here. Inlet is here and outlet is here, and it is marked in and out. Now I'm just gonna, if you have that tool, you're gonna want to use that tool on the top to give you some leverage in order to grab a hold of it, because this can be on very tight at times. Mine was just hand tight, so I was able to just move it by just forcing it with my hands. And now I'm going to loosen that up and remove the cover. And here's my old filter. And then take the new one and just slide it on. And then you're going to just reverse the process, put your cover back on, attach this back underneath, attach to your in and your out properly, which are marked, and you're ready to go. So, hey, I hope that was helpful to learn a little bit more about how to change one of these V7 filters. It's an easy job, and you can do it yourself. Hope that helps. Have a great day.